Okay, so 22417. Does anybody know, did anybody realize what's the difference between these problems and the problems I taught you before? What are they? What's the difference? Exactly. So there's a variable on both sides. So I'm going to literally recopy the first one. 7n plus 2 equals 4n plus 17. We're just going to use their problem, but we're going to write in our notebook so it lasts. Okay? So there's variables on both sides. Now, the goal of solving an equation is to get the variable alone, right? You want x equals something. Here I have variables on both sides. So what do you think? What do you think you have to do? Angel? Solve both of them? Okay. What else do you think you have to do? Is it the same variable? Yes. Yes. CST. But CST only works on one side and then the other. So it is kind of like CST, but something. I don't want to tell you. I want you to tell me. What do you think you have to do? It's kind of like CST, I guess. Oh my god. You really want to sit there and go, okay, let's start with 1. Now let's start with 2. What if it's a decimal? There's infinite numbers of numbers, right? So, oh yeah. You don't want to get upset. That is a way to solve it. Imagine how long it would take you. What do you think on the problem? Anyone? So, how did you get 5? How? What did you do? So you just randomly picked 5? Again, it goes back to, what Angel said. It's like, what if it's a negative, or what if it's a decimal? What if it's a fraction, right? So you're not always going to have easy numbers to solve. Look at the problem, one of these. Do you really want to sit there and deal with like, I think it's 2, I think it's 5, I think it's 10, I hope it's 3. All right, here it is. I really thought someone would tell me. Jerry Bars. You want the variable on the same side. You want the variables on the same side. So you got to get the variables on the same side. How would you get all the variables on the same side? Which one do you have to move? The 4. So you have a choice. You can either move the 7n to this side, or you move the 4n to this side. And I would try to avoid negatives as much as possible. So which one do you want to move? 4n. You always want to move the smaller one. So how do I move the 4n? How do I move it to this side? Yes. So how do I eliminate this 4n from this side? How do I make it 0? Subtract 4n. Because what's 4n minus 4n? 0. That's what I want. I want to eliminate it from this side. So whatever you do to this side, you have to do it to this side. What's 7n minus 4n? So I got 3n plus 2 equals, what's on this side? 17, right? We don't write the 0. Now can you solve it? Yeah. Yes. So how do you solve equations that have variables on both sides? You have to get the n's all on one side. Okay? And you decide. I could have moved this to this side, and then you're dealing with negatives though. So you always want to like, which side should I go for? All right, let's just write one more in our notebook. We'll write the second. Let's write D in our notebook. So negative 2k plus 19 is equal to 3k minus 1. Is there any more tests out there? No? Okay. Oh, just kidding. Sure. Okay. Okay, question. Do you want to move the negative 2k or the 3k? Look, it doesn't really matter. You get the same answer. But I would try to move this one. Why? Because it's a negative and you kind of want to get rid of it. Right? You could move the 3k. You'll get the same answer. You do it right. Mm-hmm. Easy? Yeah. All right. You can continue working on these.